Welcome to the one and only quiz. We have 20 questions about things mentioned only once in the Bible. Let's see how many you can get right. On your mark, get set, let's go. You'll have 10 seconds for each question, so make every second count. I'm so excited to see your results. Question 1. Who cut their hair only once a year? Is it A. Samson, B. Solomon, C. Absalom, or D. Samuel? The clock is ticking. The correct answer is C. Absalom. You can find this in 2 Samuel chapter 14, verse 26. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. What object in Jacob's vision is mentioned only once in the Bible? A. Ladder, B. Pillar, C. Stone, or D. Angel. Time is running out. The answer is A. Ladder, as mentioned in Genesis chapter 28. Next up is question 3. Question 3. Who is the only prophet that God spoke with face to face? A. Jeremiah, B. Moses, C. Ezekiel, or D. Amos? Choose wisely. The correct answer is B. Moses, as seen in Exodus chapter 33, verse 11. That's a great piece of trivia. Question 4. What is the only day of the year on which the high priest could enter the Holy of Holies? A. Passover, B. Pentecost, C. Day of Atonement, or D. Tabernacles? The correct answer is C. Day of Atonement. Let's tackle the next question. Question 5. Who is the only woman to have her age, death, and burial mentioned in the Bible? A. Eve, B. Mary, mother of Jesus, C. Rachel, or D. Sarah? The answer is D. Sarah, confirmed in Genesis chapter 23, verses 1 to 2. Let's keep the quiz going. Question 6. The turtle dove and pigeon were the only two fowl used for what purpose? A. Messengers, B. Sacrifice, C. Tithing, or D. Food? The correct answer is B. Sacrifice, as detailed in Leviticus chapter 1, verse 14. That completes question 6. Question 7. What is the only occasion that describes Jesus as riding? A. At the feeding of the 5,000, B. Being hosted by Mary and Martha, C. With the woman at the well in Samaria, or D. The woman caught in adultery by the Pharisees? The correct answer is D. The woman caught in adultery by the Pharisees. This is recorded in John chapter 8, verses 6, 8. Next question. Question 8. Who is the only lawyer mentioned by name? Is it A. Zophah, B. Zichri, C. Zenos, or D. Zepho? You have 10 seconds. The answer is C. Zenos, which is mentioned in Titus chapter 3, verse 13. Let's move on to number 9. Question 9. Who is the only person in Genesis recorded as living less than 120 years? A. Isaac, B. Jacob, C. Joseph, or D. Esau? The answer is C. Joseph, recorded in Genesis chapter 50, verse 26. Halfway there. Keep going. Question 10. Who is the only wife of Solomon mentioned by name? A. Naomi, B. Noga, C. Noadiah, or D. Naamah? The correct answer is D. Naamah, referenced in 2 Chronicles chapter 12, verse 13, and 1 Kings chapter 14, verse 21. Hope you got that one right. Question 11. Who is the only woman who is described as being beautiful and intelligent? A. Abigail, B. Rebecca, C. Sarah, or D. Esther? The answer is A. Abigail, as mentioned in 1 Samuel chapter 25, verse 3. Moving along. Question 12. What is the only book that mentions God laughing? A. Ecclesiastes, B. Lamentations, C. Ezra, or D. Psalms? The correct answer is D. Psalms. The references are Psalms 2 to 4, Psalms 37 to 13, and Psalms 59 to 8. Only a few more left. Question 13. Who is the only man described as naturally bald? A. Daniel, B. Isaac, C. Lazarus, or D. Elisha? The answer is D. Elisha. You can find this in 2 Kings chapter 2, verse 23. Time for question 14. Question 14. Who is the only person recorded as being placed in a coffin when they died? A. Herod the Great, B. Nebuchadnezzar, C. Abraham, or D. Joseph? The correct answer is D. Joseph, mentioned in Genesis chapter 50, verse 26. That completes question 14. Question 15. Which is the only gospel to record the healing of Malchus's ear after it was cut off? A. Luke, B. Mark, C. John, or D. Matthew? The correct answer is C. John. This event is recorded in John chapter 18, verse 10. That's a challenging one. Question 16. Which is the only judge known to have come from the tribe of Judah? A. Gideon, B. Samson, C. Ehud, or D. Othniel? The correct answer is D. Othniel, as seen in Judges chapter 3. Keep track of your score. Question 17. Who is the only woman we hear of reigning as queen regnant in Israel of Judah? A. Bathsheba, B. Athaliah, C. Hephzibah, or D. Jezebel? The answer is B. Athaliah, which is mentioned in 2 Chronicles chapter 22, verse 12. Two more questions left. Question 18. Who was the only person to pray from the inside of an animal? A. Joshua, B. Jonah, C. James, or D. Elihu? The correct answer is B. Jonah, recorded in Jonah chapter 2, verse 1. You're doing great. Question 19. Who was the only female judge? A. Keziah, B. Jemima, C. Deborah, or D. Sarah? Choose your answer quickly. The answer is C. Deborah, mentioned in Judges chapter 4, verse 4. Last question coming up. Question 20. Who was the only man to lead a sinless life? A. John the Baptist, B. Jesus, C. Moses, or D. Moses? The final answer is B. Jesus. We have completed all 20 questions. Thank you for playing the quiz. Mention your score in the comment section and where you are watching from. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button.